In connecting the water supply line to the ice maker, first turn off the main water supply and clear the line of water. Use either 1/4 inch soft copper tubing or Whirlpool branded supply line. When using the copper tubing, ensure that both ends are cut square. Also make sure that you've left a coil of copper tubing to allow the ice maker to be pulled out for cleaning or service. Slip the compression sleeve and compression nut onto the copper tubing. Insert the end of the tubing as far as it will go into the 1/2 inch copper water supply line. Now screw the compression nut onto the outlet end with the adjustable wrench without over-tightening. Place the free end of the copper tubing into either a sink or other container and turn on the main water supply. Flush the water through the copper tubing until it runs clear. Turn off the shutoff valve and drain the water from the copper tubing. Bend the free end of the copper tubing to meet the water line inlet on the back of the ice maker. Leave the remaining coil of copper tubing. Remove and discard the black plastic tube from the end of the water line inlet. Now thread the nut onto the end of the tubing and hand tighten. Tighten with a wrench 2 more turns, but make sure not to over-tighten. Install the water supply tube clamp around the copper supply line to reduce strain on the coupling. After this is in place, turn on the water shutoff valve and check for any leaks in the connection.